Wih, empat pulau ya, Akala Island. Halo lah. Mother Trucker. Wih, lama ngebak ini anjing. Oh enggak. Land ahoy. Alright, Akala Island, here I come. Isn't it a bit late to declare land ahoy after you already arrived on shore? What a stick in the sand. Help me out here, Jun. It was funny, right? It was pretty funny. What about you, Professor? The land is certainly ahoy, oh boy. Ya, ya keluar lagi. Still haven't managed to find a sword that goes with your lab coat. Kukui. Oh iya, dia nggak pakai baju ya, cuman pakai baju lab. Siapa ini guys? I've told you you're gonna scare off stranger looking like that. Maybe back into the bag. Don't sweet it, Lily. Wih, gila, the big black, you know. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm Malo, one of the captain here. I was on my way to see who was pulling into port and ran into Melo here while she was out on a delivery. Yep, my trial will be a chance for all the fine ingredients that make up your team to shine. Especially you two, your Pokemon look ready to cook with gas. And Malo isn't the only captain here on Akal Island, of course. So, what's the plan, kids? Yeah, that's up to this kid, katanya. It's their island challenge after all. Yes, I suppose so. Okay then. Enjoy your time on your island challenge, kid, along with your Pokemon. I'll be waiting for my chance to face you in battle when the time comes. I'm looking forward to seeing what you've got. Let's go, Melo. Let's go. Dadah. Cakep juga deh guys. Tapi kayak peti telur aja, rata. Namanya juga bocil guys. Jadi Pokemon cewek bocil, menculik. But she will never admit it to you. Hah? That's Olivia for you. She's a kind Kahuna deep down. Oh, dia Kahunanya juga. Oh, di sini gym leader namanya Kahuna guys. There are 3 trial here on Akala Island. If you two decide you want to take on the trial straight away, head up Route 4 there and keep on going until you get to Paniolaton. So, I know where I'm going first, and that is right to the Pokemon Center. I wonder what kind of malasada they make on Akala. Maybe I'll see about some shopping of my own, and I should find out about the ruins for Naby's sakes too. You met to Akala, big boy. This means a whole new island Pokemon. I try to keep you up to date on all the new Pokemon you're uncovering. Alright, let's give the city a good search. Ntar guys, kita cek dulu ya kan. Ini apa? Oh bukan. Gue mau naik banteng di sini. Jangan deh guys. Halo lah. Tempat apa ini? Tempat baru nih guys, jadi rada nge-lag ya. Tempat apa guys? Secret Treasure. Apa ini guys? Wow, it's good to be. Gak usah lah. Anjay, seksi. Seksi banget, seksi. The Big Black. Badan putih muka hitam, kebalik coy. Biasanya muka putih badan hitam aja. Merendah berarti dia tuh si Jun. Bisa masuk gak? Belanja baju gak sih guys? Anjay. You looking no clothes? Tapu lele. Bisa ditangkap gak ya tapu koko, tapu lele gitu-gitu? Para tapu-tapu gitu. Dia mau ikut kita guys. Dia dicampakan kan, lu seneng sama gua deh. Udahlah, mending kita jadian aja, Beb. Tuh kalau di dunia nyata si Lily bawa tas kayak gitu kemana-mana, dikira teroris anjir. Tim school. Di sini tim school ya, bukan tim roket ya.